in California, everyone. Ay, Gimaras, ano yan? Quezon yan, di ba? Si Sikoy ni. Ay, Nini Days pala yan, giatay. Kumusta ka na, Nini Days? Mary Joy. Nasaan ka na ngayon? May sipon ako, guys. Gimaras. Nini Days po taga Gimaras. Ay, malayo kami, Mary Joy. Ang Tennessee. How far is Tennessee? How far? About 1 week drive from Tennessee to California?
Probably 36
36 hours
hours.
drive. It's probably, I heard it's about 1 week drive.
Depends on how far you push it.
Small island between Iloilo and Negros. Gimaras, akala ko ang Gimaras sa Quezon. Quezon, mayroon palang Gimaras sa ano. Why are you live streaming in? Zamia, nothing, just to say hi to everyone. Teddy, sorry you had to go soon, Mama. I know. My flight is 30 minutes. Thank you, Teddy. Okay po kung malayo po kayo doon. Ay, oo, malayo. Teddy, it's Darian. It's Darian. He called himself Teddy. It's Darian. Your money is on the by the window, long table, right there where the plants. Darian. So, I thought Teddy is different Teddy. It's Darian Teddy. Say hi to Baba. I put $20. Okay po. Kayo, Mama Sinya. Have a safe flight. Thank you, Nini Days. Hey, Bobs. Huh? I don't want what?
I don't want to be in the video.
Why?
That's me.
Oh, okay. Hey, Bobs. Ba't ano po nangyari doon, Mama Sinya, sa California? Ba't po ganun? Kagrabe ang sunog. Ano, Mary Joy, ang narinig ko, walang tubig.
There's our plane.
Huh? Oh, our flight is here. Andiyan na yung aeroplano namin, guys. Quick live nga. Yan o, yung aming aeroplano. Yung Allegiant. Yan o, kita nyo?
This will serve as a game change announcement. The departure date will be 8:44. Once again, if you're talking about JetBlue flights, 1298 services to JFK, your departure date is 8:44.
Ito yung gate namin, A43. Oh, it's a real cut. Ingat po kayo, Mama Sinya. Thank you, Sisikoy, Mary Joy. Yan yung gate namin, A43. Andiyan na yung aeroplano naming sasakyan. We're going to Knoxville. Ayan siya, oh. A43. Knoxville. That's our gate. Our gate number.